This is actually nice. It's nice, guys. You should try this recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to Julie's Kitchen. Julie's Kitchen. Julie's Kitchen. Julie's Kitchen. Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my kitchen. Bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi. How are you? Akwaba, welcome. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick recipe for those who love bread for breakfast. I'm sure after this you won't be able to eat bread anymore. So I've come with you with a new recipe for breakfast. You can replace your bread with this one. It's more healthy, obviously. Let's go. I'll show you something. So guys, here's the ingredient you're gonna need to make this recipe. So first we're going to cut the sweet potato into pieces. Cut sweet potato into pieces, just like that. By the way, I've washed the sweet potato, so make sure you wash it properly, just take the dirt off. Wash it. I've washed it. It's clean. Okay, that's it. Just cut it. Next, we're just gonna put our sweet potato in the pot. Put them in the pot. So we're just gonna put hot water in the kettle. We put it inside the sweet potato and switch the your hob on. We're gonna set our time for 15 minutes. So we're setting our time for 15 minutes. So we're gonna cover it and then leave it boil for 15 minutes. So see you guys in 15 minutes time. Like you can even put one this side in the middle. It makes. Now it's almost time. 52 seconds left. Then we're gonna see our sweet potato almost ready. Now 15 minutes. So to know that your sweet potato is ready, see if the sweet potato is ready. So it's been boiling for 15 minutes now. So you just use a fork. When you put your fork like this, that means it's ready. So after 15 minutes, you're gonna switch it off and then take the water out, and then we're gonna peel the potatoes. So we're gonna peel our sweet potato now. I'm just using fork to take it. You see, it's easy to take the skin off after boiling it for 15 minutes. Take the skin off. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe for more video, guys, and more video coming up. So please share, like the video. If you're gonna try this recipe, please comment down below, let us know. Yeah. Okay, that's our sweet potato now. Now we're gonna just use this fork and mash it. Mash it until it's smooth. Everything is smooth. Now we're gonna put our 2 eggs inside. Just crack 2 eggs in the second one. There we go. And then mix it together till smooth as well. After mixing our eggs, it's all smooth. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of organic honey. This is organic honey. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tablespoons of organic honey. And mix it. Mix it till smooth, and then now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of grounded coconuts. Just hit 3 and then mix it. Yeah, just mix until it's all smoothly mixed. Get your saucepan and then put a bit of oil. Okay. Not too much. Make the oil. I think this is just to stop it from sticking together. And then pour your mixture into the pan. Make it flat. Make it even. That's what I mean. Even. Right, just put everything inside. And then cover it for 15 minutes. Just put your heat medium to medium heat. Wait, where's the thing? So we're gonna set our time again for 15 minutes. We set the time for 15 minutes, then we come back after 15 minutes and see. We come back after 15 minutes. Alright? Okay, a few more seconds. Just have to put the fire down a bit because like it's burning down. It smells so nice. That's so nice. Okay, 16 seconds, then we take it off. 16 seconds. There we go. Ready now. Okay, let's have a look. It might be difficult for me to turn now. Okay. Right. I'm struggling with this one because the thing is, it's hot. There we go. Alright, that's it. And you're just gonna cover in low heat for 5 minutes. Been 5 minutes on the other side. Yeah. So Our sweet potato eggs is ready. Is ready, guys. Wait, even though mix a bit, then when I overput the fire, it's real to put the sweet potato eggs inside the plate. But anyway, I tried, so just put some honey on top. That's it. So now time to serve. Time to serve. See, this is so good. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. You wanna try? Let's try it together. 1, 2. This is actually nice. It's nice, guys. You should try this recipe. This is cool. You don't need you don't need any bread anymore for breakfast. Do this recipe, guys. It's so nice and sweet. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more videos. If you try this recipe, please comment down below and let us know how you found it. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.